Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this wonderful tutorials. If you receive this uh, this updates, I'm going to be showing you a very simple way of farming Ember tokens. Now, Ember tokens is already listed on the coin market and you can withdraw it. I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Ember tokens from this powerful application on Telegram. So it says, I will be showing first 200 people how to farm $2.50 to $33 Ember tokens and withdraw every day. That is the theme of our tutorial. So our target is to farm $2.50 what to $33 worth of Ember tokens and withdraw it every day. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So if you already have this invitation to join this tutorial, click on the first link of the person that sent this post to you, and then also after that you need to sign up for a Royal Fund online tutorial account where I'll be showing you the step-by-step video tutorial. So I assume if you're watching this video right now, you must have signed up or you are about to sign up for your Royal Funds online tutorial. In Royal Fund online tutorial, which is an online web application tutorials where I'll be showing you step-by-step video tutorial every day. The tutorial application, you can monetize it and be making up to $1,000 every week by just starting day one with $1.20, which is about 2,000 naira Nigerian naira. Once you pay that amount, every person joining the tutorial will be placing five subscribers under you, and that will be making you about 6,000 naira minimum in day one. So, and in day one, you can upgrade to day two with 3,000 plus, and you'll be making 3,000 times 5 places, which is about 15,000 naira. So that is how to monetize Royal Farm. So you can pick up the first day one activation, which costs $1.20, and every person that is subscribing to this tutorial will be placing them under every one of you. Five subscribers under every person that is joining this tutorial. So right now I'm going to launch the application that's going to be farming us Ember tokens, and we are going to follow this tutorial step by step. I'm setting up a new account. I've already started this project for more than 2 weeks right now. I am farming Ember tokens, and this account is just a fresh account for the purpose of this tutorial. So I click here to launch the application. So once you launch it, it's going to bring you here. So I'm going to click on Start Harvest. This button right here, Start Harvest. So this is a fresh account for the training illustration purpose. So I'm going to walk you through your dashboard, how to navigate your bee harvest dashboard. This application it mines B. It mines B coins for you, which you are going to use to mine Ember tokens by investing your B coin into the mining pool. You have a mining pool, and I'm going to show you how to join the mining pool every 24 hours. That mining pool is the pool that will be mining you Ember tokens, but you need B coins. So I'm going to show you how to mine B coins. So once you launch the application, you are going to select your language. If you are English, you select English. If you're in any country, you select your country's language. So for the purpose of this illustration training tutorial, I'm going to select English. So I click on English right now. So that will launch my dashboard. So I'm starting this fresh account for the purpose of this training. So this Ember coin is the native coin of this application, and it cannot be withdrawn, but it can be used to mine Ember tokens. That is, the Bitcoin cannot be withdrawn, but it can be used to mine Ember tokens, and it is the Ember tokens that can be withdrawn. So, and one Ember tokens currently is trading in the coin market at about $0.0052. So if you are mining about 50,000 Ember tokens, that is worth about $2.5. So right now it has brought us to this interface. So we're going to click on next. So you click on dashboard, click on next. All right, so as soon as you launch your application, it's going to bring you to this interface, and you're going to be given 2,000 free honey coin. Now, it says honey is the main in-game currency of bee harvest. Upgrade your apiary and participate in the daily Ember token distribution. So your honey coin is what will give you the ability to farm Ember tokens. So we are going to use this honey coin to upgrade our mining power. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let us click on next to go to the next interface. So it's showing all the tutorial. So go to the boost page and upgrade the first boost Bitcoin. So what we're going to do is to upgrade our mining power. So we're going to click on skip here. I'm going to show you how to upgrade your mining power. So every day you will be given free honey coin for opening the app every 24 hours. So you click here to collect today's honey coin. So I'm clicking here right now. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I am logging into my main account, my bee harvest account. I don't want you to joke with this project. This project is a new project. It is not an ongoing airdrop. It is already launched, so don't joke with it. As you can see, not a lot of people know about this bee harvest, so that is why you have a good advantage here. Because as you can see, let me open my main account. You can see here they have only 238,000 monthly subscribers, on their channel, that is on their boat. So on the application, people that are farming honeybee are still small. So that is an advantage for you that is still joining now. It's a long-term project, so you are going to earn a lot before this application is known and it is congested. So before the project is being saturated, you have to jump in right now and make use of this tutorial, the tutorial guide that I'm going to be showing you how to farm real money that you are going to be withdrawing every day. You are going to be withdrawing $2 to $2.50 to up to $33 every day. You are going to be withdrawing. I'm going to guide you through the tutorial steps. So that is why I don't joke with the Royal Fund tutorial. Make sure you are logging in every day to check out for new tutorials that I am going to be publishing on the tutorial. You have to log in to your tutorial dashboard every day. So this is my main honey game account. You can see I have over 20,000 honey coin, and this honey coin I used to launch it into the pool. Once you invest your coin into the pool, it's going to be farming Ember for you. So a pool is a large number of people that are farming the same coin together for the same benefit, for the same mutual benefit. So that is a pool. So hundreds and thousands of people are in a pool. So I'm going to show you the best pool to join. So right now here in your dashboard, you might be having 2,000 Amber token on Amber coin. So that is a honey coin, not Amber now, because it is honey coin that this application will be farming for you. While you are going to use your honey coin to farm Amber token when you launch it into the pool. All these things I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you're going to do, let me walk you through the dashboard. What you'll be doing to check to collect your daily honey coin reward. You click on this first icon here. You click here. As you can see, I've already collected 3 days reward. So every 24 hours, you click inside of this tab. It's going to give you free mining powers and free honey coin. So now, for you to join the pool, I'm going to show you in my next tutorial, not now. So what I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how to start upgrading your power, how to use your coin to upgrade your power. So to upgrade my power, and right now I am farming at 1.17 per second, 1.17 honey coin per second. So that is what my application is farming for me, 1.17 honey coin per second. So for me to buy more powers, what I need to do is to click on this button here, this third button below your dashboard. So I'm going to click on it right now. It's going to take you to this interface. So right now, there is a way we used to buy powers. You buy power at least every 3 hours. You log in with your honey coin, the honey coin that have been farmed for you. You see it here. So what you need to do, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to buy power. So for you to buy power, once you have enough coin to buy power, this place is going to show this color. It's going to show. So you click on upgrade, the upgrade button. See, I'm going to play right now. See, I've just boosted my power. So from 1.17 now, it's now it's farming for me at 1.21. So in your own case, if you have your first 2,000 honey coin gifting that you'll be gifted with, use all of them to buy power. Just come over here and use all of them to buy power. Keep clicking here until all your coin, your first coin finish. So I'm going to use all my coin here to buy power, because I used to buy power with my first 12 hours coin. While the next 12 hours coin, I will launch it into the pool, because in a day, in every 12 hours, my power is farming me up to 100,000 coins. So I will use 50,000 coins to buy power, while I will use the remaining other 50,000 coins to join the pool. And you don't join the pool anyhow. You join the pool when the pool timing starts. So all these things you have to take note of this so that you don't make mistake and lose money. So right now I'm going to use all my mining my coin to buy power. So that is what you are going to do right now. So you keep tapping here. You can see I'm tapping here. You see it has upgraded to 1.28. So you keep tapping. So I'm going to buy mine power. While here is B quality. To buy B quality, you can see here it costs 11.1 thousand to buy 11,100 to buy B quality. B quality means your B is going to be multiplied times the number of quality that you buy. So you use some of your coin to buy power, and use some of your coin to buy B quality. Then in subsequent tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to B hard count, because all these tools, they are here to increase your coin balance. That is your honey coin balance. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy B counts and how to buy B quality. That is your mining power. So let me buy more. Let me buy 3 times more. Okay, I'm going to buy until you reach 11,000, because I want to buy B quality, and my B quality here is cost 11.1 thousand. That's 11,100. So I have 18,400. So I'm going to keep buying. So I'm going to buy B count power. So I'm buying B count power right now until my balance becomes about 11,000 plus. So you keep buying, you keep buying. So in this tutorial, what you're going to be doing is to buy both B count and B quality. It's very, very important. So, all right. So I have 14,400. Let me buy once more. All right. So now, okay, let me buy just one more. Then I'm going to now buy, okay. All right. So let me buy B quality, which costs 11,100. So I'm buying B quality. So to buy B quality, I'm going to click on the second button here. So I'm clicking. So as you can see, I bought B quality. See, I have upgraded my mining power. So right now I have 1,900 B coins left. So let me still buy more B counts. So you keep buying B counts. So what the strategy I'm going to be showing you here that will be making you $2.50 every day. And this you are going to start withdrawing within 3 days, 3 to 4 days if you follow me very well. See, I don't have enough coin balance to buy more power. So what I'll do, let me go to the dashboard. So to go to the dashboard, click on these times to the main dashboard. So I've clicked on the times. So right now, as you can see, my miner have been upgraded to almost 1.8. I think 1.8, yes, 1.8 per seconds, 1.8 coin. That's big average coin per second. So now it's going to be mining faster for me. So in the next 12 hours, because I usually upgrade my B counts, that is my mining power, with the first 12-hour mining farming coin. While the next 12-hour farming coin, I use it to join the pool. To join the pool, you click on this second button here, this second button that says pool. As you can see, I've just clicked on it. It's going to open the pool. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join your pool. So right now, I have already joined yesterday's pool, and you see they have 18 hours left for them to distribute Amber tokens. It is from here you are going to be making the real money. So I'm going to show you how to launch your coin, your Bitcoin, into this pool, and how to join a pool. So right now, I have already launched my coin into this pool, and it's going to be generating me Amber coin, that is Amber tokens, which I can withdraw. So I'm going to show you that in my next tutorial, how to be making up to 10,000 Amber tokens every day. So in about 18 hours from now, I'm going to I'm going to launch another coin into the pool. So before then, I'm going to show you in my next tutorial how to join a pool squad, and also how to join a pool. So that is all for this tutorial. Also, okay, before I sign out, let me show you how to spin. To spin, you click on here. Here you can spin and get free mining power and free Amber tokens. So to spin, you click on this spinning button here. As you can see, it's going to spin and give you reward you with either Amber tokens or Amber Beehive coins, or it's going to reward you with powers. As you can see, I'm spinning. See, I have about 2 more spins left. So, and you get extra spins by referring your friends. So I'm going to show you how to get your referral link, which is very important. So our strategy is to refer at least 10 people, because we are going to be aiming on 3 tiers, 3 generations. So to get your referral link, let's go to how to get our referral link. To get your referral link, what you just need to do is to click on this first button here. So first button, you click here. You can see they have about 3 generation of referral reward. In the first generation, let us go through the tutorial. In the first generation, this is where your direct downlines will be located. You can view your direct downlines here. You see. So in the next tab is where your first generation of downlines, you can view them here and earn some percentage from them. Referral first onboarding. So you'll be earning both Ember tokens and Ember coins. That is Ember Bitcoins and Ember tokens from your first generation. I think about 10% will be earning from them. Then next, your second tier, that's your second generation of referral, are those that are referred by your direct downlines. That is, they form your second referral line, and you'll be earning 3% from all their activities. Then the third line, the third generation referral, you'll be earning 2%. So this is a very big project, which you must not joke with. So to get your referral link, you click here. You click on invitation link. So here you can copy your referral link. So what you do, you copy your referral link here. Then go to the post. Let me close this application. Then I will show you where to paste your referral link. Paste it in this post, in the post of the person that sent this project to you. Paste it in the post. You can see, let me go to our channel. So what you do, just paste your referral link in this post. Replace it with the person that sent this invitation to you. Paste it here. Then this is the post that you are going to be sharing with people. Then also enter your Royal Fund tutorial access code. Enter it. Your own access code will be sent to your mail as soon as you sign up for Royal Fund. Enter your access code. Replace it with in the post with the one that is here. Then replace your B-Harvest referral link with the one you copy from your B-Harvest application referral. This link, this second link, don't touch it. It is the general link to sign up for Royal Funds tutorial. While this third one, this entry code, you will put your own entry code in this short target post. So this is the post you'll be using to invite your friends, share it with your friends. At least invite 10 people to join your squad. And once they join, my friend, you are going to be earning passive income while you sleep. I'm going to show you how to turn your friends to paying subscribers, how your friends that join this Amber tutorial, and as they sign up for their Royal Funds tutorial application, they are going to be generating you up to $1,000 every week. That is separately, because as they are upgrading and activating Royal Fund tutorial, monetizing our application, the Royal Fund tutorial application, with $1 minimum. Once 10 of your friends activate the Royal Fund monetization tutorial with $1.20, you are going to earn $10. That is 10 of your friends alone, $10 on the first day. And then any other day they upgrade to higher plan, you are going to earn 100%. 100% directly paid to your bank account. So how to upgrade your Royal Funds is going to guide you step by step on how to pay your activation fee to monetize our tutorials. And by monetizing our tutorials, this is what you are going to be making. You are going to be making $5 automatically from 5 subscribers, and then in day 2 you make $10 automatically from 10 subscribers, and then in day 3 you will receive $20 from 10 subscribers. So all your subscribers are going to be making you recurring income. In day 4, the tutorial application is going to generate you $40 from your 10 subscribers that join Honeybee and then also sign up for this tutorial. And in day 6, your subscribers, 10 subscribers alone, are going to be making you $160. And then in day 7, your 10 subscribers will generate you $320. And in day 8, your 10 subscribers, the same 10 subscribers under you, they are going, when they upgrade this day 8, they are going to generate you $640. And in day 9, your 10 subscribers, once they upgrade this plan, day 9, they are going to generate you $1,280. And in day 10, they are going to generate you up to $2,560. And in day 11, your 10 subscribers, the same 10 subscribers, are going to generate you $1,024. And then in day 12 to day 30, they are going to generate you $10,000. So that is how powerful our tutorial system is, the Royal Fund tutorial, where you will be attending the various tutorials. You'll be attending various farming projects. This is not the only farming project we're going to be doing tutorial on. The bee harvest is the first tutorial. We're going to do tutorials on other farming projects, which we are going to come across, like the grass farming project, and then the not pay farming project. All these are projects that are going to give you passive income to be earning daily, even while you sleep. So do not joke with this project. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you very much. Share this opportunity with your friends, and with your 10 friends, you are going to be a millionaire within 12 days, I assure you. God bless you as you attend my next tutorial. Always log in to your Royal Funds tutorial every day, because I always publish new tutorials into the application. And as you are doing your steps, your daily tasks, you are going to be seeing a lot of money in your bank account. We pay direct to your bank account. God bless you as you attend next tutorials.